Hi folks, Matt here with another great video. This time, I'll share my impressions about newly released hard drive wipe software, EaseUS BitWiper. To download the trial version, you just have to follow this link, and you'll have a fully functional version to test. There are so many scenarios these days when you may need EaseUS BitWiper to wipe a partition or an entire HDD SSD that I'm sure that anybody can figure out some of them. Though here are some I was able to identify for instance. 1. To completely wipe a hard drive SSD for new purposes. 2. To wipe a partition or several partitions to free up space. 3. To shred confidential or private files, folders. 4. Make private information or erased data unrecoverable. 5. Unlock or remove encryption from password-protected disks. 6. Applies to all Windows and Windows Server systems. Now that I got your attention, I'll share with you 3 main key features I was able to discover while testing EaseUS BitWiper. Feature 1. Wipe Disk. EaseUS BitWiper enables to erase, clean, and wipe an internal or external hard drive or storage device in only a few simple clicks. It doesn't require any technical skills to wipe a disk for new usages like saving space or installing new softwares. Supported devices can be OS disk, data drive, all brands of hard drives and SSDs, external HDDs, SSDs, USB flash drive, memory sticks, SD cards, camera memory cards, etc. Feature 2. Wipe Partition. To eliminate low disk space issues, just say hocus pocus, and utilizing EaseUS BitWiper, you can use this function to wipe partition to free up more space for system partition or make Windows Server system run faster than ever. It also helps to wipe out all data saved in partition, even if it's locked by password, at once with a rapid speed. Wonder which devices are supported? Here, I did a list for you. Data partitions, the system partition, external HDD or SSD partition, BitLocker partition, or encrypted volume. Feature 3. File Shredder. If, for reasons known only by you may want to permanently shred a partition from your HDD SSD and remove a file or folder from a specific location or internal-external disks, File Shredder is a second-to-none option. It safely erases the selected file or folder, making it unrecoverable by any technical engineers or data recovery tools. What type of files can it destroy? Well, pretty much all of them. EaseUS is here to help you with 24/7 tech support. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please hit that bell icon, subscribe, and share so that you won't lose any new video.